My name is Elysia English and welcome to my channel. During this video, I'm going to show you how to make a monogrammed wood planter box. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, you're going to want to because I have new content coming almost every single day. To create this easy project, you're going to need a 1x6 board. You're going to need 4 6-inch long boards, so I'm going to make my marks and cut. Now that I have my 4 pieces cut, I'm going to sand them and make sure that my edges are nice and smooth. I decided to stain my planter box, and so I'm going to use my favorite stain, Provincial by Minwax. I like using the blue shop rags, but because I ran out, I'm just using a cloth. Now that my planter sidewalls are stained, I'm going to line them up and fire some nails using my brad nailer to hold them together. You can apply a little bit of wood glue into your seams. It's not really necessary, but I'm going to in my case. Now I'm going to measure for what size I need for my hardboard that's going to go along the bottom base. So I want to measure how wide and how long I need it. So I know that I need to make mine just shy of the actual length because I don't want it to show on the outside. So I need to make mine about 7 1/4 this way and 5 3/4 this way. So my 1/4-inch hardboard bottom is cut, and now I'm going to use my pneumatic stapler and staple it onto my base. Now we're going to personalize our planter box. So I'm going to paint a monogrammed image using our last name and a cute little wreath to go on the side of this. Printing it out on my Silhouette Cameo, I used some black vinyl. I'm just going to weed out my lettering and then stencil it on. If you've seen my channel before, you know that I usually use clear contact paper, but for the purposes of the video, I wanted to use the black vinyl so you could really see what I'm doing. I'm now going to use a piece of contact paper to transfer my image onto my wood box. If you think this turned out great, hit the like button. The final result of this project turned out really well. I really love monogramming things, and so using our last name initial was perfect for this project. I decided to theme this one kind of with a fall theme since fall's coming around the corner. So as usual, I got a little carried away while I was making this project, and I made a few extras because I have a couple of ideas I want to share with you of ways that you can implement this project for your own life. So I have a gift to give this week, and so I've created one that was monogrammed for the last name of the friend that I'm going to give it to. I love to upcycle things, so I'm using an old peanut butter jar, which I cleaned out really well. I'm gonna add some water and some fresh cut flowers from my garden, and then I'm going to put it into my new planter. And with the holidays just around the corner, I thought it would be neat to do one where I could put some real live little fern, like the little mini Christmas trees into. Since it's not the time of year to purchase one, I use this beautiful upcycled woolly tree that my mother-in-law made for me, and I made myself a shiplet box, just a little bit different than the one that I already made. I think it looks super cute with a little holiday monogram on it. It would be perfect to sell these or just use them for Christmas decor. I also thought these would be really nice if you tied a little piece of jute around with a cute personalized tag that had a private note or a little card on it. I love the versatility of this project. You could literally put anything on the front, from monogramming, a cute quote, or an emblem. I also love the versatility of what you can put inside the boxes, so you can change it out for any season or event that you might have. If you like my DIY projects, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so YouTube lets you know when my next video is up. Fall is just around the corner, and I have lots of fall DIY videos coming your way. What's your favorite color to decorate in fall? Comment down below and let me know.